Welcome back, guys. This time, I promise you, it won't be about a random side project with no use at all. This time, we are making use of this project to train and practice my math skills and my programming skills at the same time. You guys might wonder, why in the world would I do a math project? Well, I love math, but I suck at it. In IB school, the highest level of math is AHL, which I will be taking next year. Although I can do everything in middle school math, from basic fractions to quadratic equations, but my foundation is a bit questionable. So this summer, I'm dedicated to changing that and increasing my math foundation. The program you'll witness isn't complicated nor difficult to create. It's easy, not even 30 lines of code. Anyone can do it. So first off, we have to understand multiplication basics while expressing it to Python. So now we would want to import random. Random is a module that allows Python to generate different type of elements. So first, we will create a function that contains two variables, a print statement, and a return statement. The first two variables are to generate two numbers. So let's now start and write this function. Let's call this function question. All right. Then the first two variables are to generate two numbers, which will be multiplied at the end. So say num1 equals to random.randint. So let's say give it a range of 3 to 12. All right. And then we're gonna create another variable called num2, like that. All right. Then so now we're gonna print an f statement. So let's say print then f what is, now this is for the question. Now we're gonna use this weird brackets, like, or you call it curly brackets. Let's say weird bracket then. So num1 times weird brackets num2. Don't forget to add a question mark. If not, it won't be a question. Now we're gonna return num1 times num2, which is to compare the user input and the real correct answer, which is this return statement. All right. We need to use a while true statement right here, as this will only print out one question and need to click play at the end of every question. Then we will want the correct answer to be collected from the function question. It will be in the variable called correct. So it's like correct equals question. What this means is correct is containing this value. Return num1 times num2. This is the correct answer. Let's say while true again, so that even if we're wrong, we can retype and try again. Now we have to add the user input by collecting that input in a variable called answer. So it's an answer equals to integer input. Please input your answer. Now, the if statement. If the answer is the same as the correct answer, then we'll print that's right. If answer equals to correct, then we're going to print that's right. Then we cannot forget this break, as if we do not break it, now let's try without the break, right? If it's not with the break, it will be an infinite loop. So what's 9 times 7? 63, right? That's right. It's gonna be an infinite loop of that. You see, so 63, 63. It's just gonna go on forever and ever and ever. We do not want that. So the break, we can do that. Click play. 8 times 6, 48. Right there. You see, it's just gonna keep on going, which is what we definitely want. Now, what happens if the user inputs incorrectly? So we're gonna do else print answer print that's wrong. Try again. There you go. All right, now let's try it. 9 times 3, 33. I know that. 28, easy. 70. All right, now this just goes on forever until we click stop. But you know what I'm thinking? It would be great to add a streak counter. Every question you get it right, it will increase the counter by 1, but will return to 0 when the user input the wrong answer. Let me do that real quick. There you go. Now let's try it. 60. Okay, count equals to 1 now. That's awesome. Go 36, count equals to 2, then let's try going 30. Okay, that's even better. Now, okay, we go 33, count plus 1, 25, 20. Wow, it's just gonna, wow, this is awesome. Since we've tried it out, it works great, so let's end it here, guys. If you haven't watched my last video, it's our new Intro to Python series. It'll benefit those who want to learn basic knowledge for Python. That's it. See you later, guys.